Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to unlock the new PPSH SMG for Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and let's get straight into the video. So in order to unlock this weapon, all you have to do is make your way over to weapons in the top, go over to loadouts. From loadouts, select the loadout that you want to change and then make your way over to SMGs, and you will notice it's right at the bottom, PPSH-41. Now if you want to unlock this gun, it is unlocked in the Black Ops 6 Battle Pass, so you will have to make your way over to the Battle Pass, and we're going to have to look for the PPSH. Let's see, it's here it's at, and this is a different gun. It's right here. It's here, page 6, and it is free, so you do not have to purchase the battle pass. So, it's tier or page 6. I don't know if there's an actual tier, but yeah. And that is basically how to unlock the gun. Just level up the battle pass. You could pop some battle pass XP tokens right here. You should have some. And that should basically be it. Just grind the battle pass, just grind XP, and you should get it. And that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.